Have you always wanted to live on one of the most famous streets in the world without paying a $10 million price tag? Well, here's your opportunity. Whether you want to be neighbors with the world's famous Newport mansions, or be walking distance to downtown, or even better yet, a pool right outside of your door, well, you could call this home. If you're looking for more information on this property or any other properties here in Rhode Island, all of my contact information is going to be in the description below.